Dr. Coleman. Come out and play!
Statisticians is mad, I get more numbers than calculators. To get an equation, I get mine the fast way. Stats way, we be taking notes. Far from easy, but it's all open notes. In Cobra, Manova, I told ya. Shaking in your boots, variables, dummies.
Here comes a brand new stats in your ear. Time for new stats in your ear. I'm kicking new stats in your ear. New stats in your ear. Here comes a brand new stats in your ear. Time for new stats in your ear.
Here comes some stats. Word up. Stats, you never bore me. Stats book too heavy. Hold it for me. Line straight, that's great. Plus there's correlation. Stats everlasting like toe, I'm pro kids. 0.5 when I rhyme, plus I climb. Don't be blind, never look at one output line. I know stats may be too much for you to bear, but it's here, don't let it pump your heart with fear. So you're a nova, that stuff is tough. I compared it, described it, now it's significant. Stats 2 is better, beyond T-test. You better pass so I won't see you next year. Kicking mad stats in your ear.
Comes a brand new stats in your ear. Time for new stats in your ear. I'm kicking new stats in your ear. Brand new stats in your ear. Here comes a brand new stats in your ear. Time for new stats in your ear.
2194. Comparisons will settle the score. It's my test now, time to explore. Contrasts and plots, we need more information. Don't forget to check that box for standard deviation. Como Sam, time to cram jam on the quartile. Like a random factor tipping on the axis. I'm going into my backstack with beside that. Correlations and covariance. You way too scared of it. You want some clever ways to reduce the variance? See your psych majors, can you bounce to this? I'm gonna make A's in the stats cave. Even Bonferroni knows my name. Yo, pup!
Logistic regression. Run it, daddy. Chi-square, baby. Check that, daddy.
Statistics. Manova, dimensions. Give me square matrix, equally good. Stats. Discriminant function analysis, but is it good? I guess like several dBs. Flavor like hotelling's collage trace, know what I mean? Dr. C loves it when we run it. Stats doesn't. But tell me, was it really just a maneuver that be clogging your ears? The limitations are many, so stay in the clear, psych majors. It's really all for you. Now what? Main effects. Close your eyes, try to partition that. Spread out the factors and let the quarter max. Bite the stats, it reacts to your cognitive map. Word to mama, a tongue kiss Jane, super brain, power of Manova.
New stats in your ear. Time for new stats in your ear. I'm kicking new stats in your ear.
Stats, the data in your earlobe. Bust the stat about to bring the beta, don't cease. Ha! Let me analyze the output of analysis. Ha! Students! Degrees of freedom, you better believe. Bust the stats, we're about to rip the odds ratio. Hey, hey, hey. I split the participants, give you 2 groups of 20 subjects. Throw covariance in. Snap, analyze to examine trends. Wait a second, I'm scrolling down significant motions. Summary table, I'll see you later. Now don't get suspicious. SPSS graduations. Breaking down theory every time I bust a stat. Within the class, least expected was for us to split the crazy stats on this beat. Analyze your MOK and disappearance output. We got the stats for you, Rickies. Ha!
Here comes the brand new stats in your ear. Time for new stats in your ear. I'm kicking new stats in your ear. New stats in your ear. Woo!
Now, just let you know.